Welcome back to Pop Info. My people want to bring you update of what happened in Umuahia, how unknown gunmen crash with the Nigeria army, and along the line they say they carry so many kala wey belong to Nigeria army, and most of them on the run. And why did these people visited them? The unknown gunmen were shouting that they don't need roadblocks in their land anymore. My people, as we dey talk right now, they say everybody don gbaga. But the question is that why is this cement and sand all over in the road in southeast? Are we in the war zone? Are we trying to beautify our road, or are we trying to mess it up? Is it no other ways to make this thing more better? So these guys has been complaining for this checkpoint everywhere, especially the people of southeast, the drivers, how the military and the police are extorting money from them every blessed day. My wonderful people, I know that your areas you have so many things like this, and I want you people to comment and mention the name of those places where there is this kind of checkpoint in your area, because these are not in the war zone. You can't find this in another part of Nigeria, rather in as we dey talk right now. Do you know say Nigeria don enter for the top country wey be say dem dey buy Christians pass? Hey, e don red o. They say US don conclude say Tinubu na person wey dey carry unto drug he say na Tinubu na drug lord o. Say Tinubu dey go pick am very soon o. Very soon na go dey found na president. Let us watch the videos of wetin happen for Abia before we come back and continue.
We are removing it. We are removing it. Alex Yoma Otti. We are removing it. Alex, we are giving you people order. Alex, we are giving you people order. We say we don't need this kind of nonsense again. Today is 13th. Today is 13th. 13th of November. 13th of November. 13th of November 2024. Alex, we are dismantling this checkpoint and we are giving you a direct order. We are giving you a direct order. We are giving you a direct order not to come close. If we see this nonsense again, Alex, you are gone. If we see this nonsense again, Alex.
Mama General on the year said, Leha, as our military, they say they be military, say, they were in a Ruha now.
Firemen are good to go.
Oruguana out today. Oruguana out today. That was 13th November. That 13th November.
As that one dey happen, they say the Yoruba Nations group, they say the Yoruba Nation, oh, they don't come outside. They say they go back Biafra. If Nigeria government they ever try, say they want go fight these people back. Say what they ask now for their freedom and nothing but the freedom. My people, no be small thing. No make I bring the video come for you. May you watch before we jump inside to another Ubenge news.
On to the Israel, the Biafra will need weapons as well to protect themselves. And I hope the world will not look back and think that if the situation of what played out when the British was fighting the Biafra, this time around the game is changing over. We will not accept as Yoruba that the government will continue to attack the Biafra. Should the government attack the Biafra, we would also call for a defense to support the Biafra when that time comes. We will make sure that we put everything in mechanism from the media to everybody on the ground to support the Biafra when the federal government attacks them. If the federal government attacks the Biafra, we have every right to protect them and defend them inside their territory and outside their territory. We will make sure we do that. So be warned that if the federal government attacked the Biafra, we would have no choice to defend and support the Biafra against invaders, because that is what is called invaders. So let us all prepare for what is about to happen. We will support the Biafra if the government attack them. If the government use weapons to attack them, we will carry arms to also protect the Biafra against the attackers. Listen to this very well. If the federal government attack the Biafra, we would have no choice to be harmed to the teeth and go around in there and protect them, because we would not allow what the British did in 1967 anymore again in the territory. We will make sure that we send people down there to fight, just as we know when the fight of the Ukraine started, they were asking for support. So the Biafra government, be rest assured that Koiki Media will continue to tell the international community that you need enough weapon to protect yourself as your declaration is getting closer. Let's go back quickly.
My wonderful people, as that one day happen, I want you to also watch this video and hear it from your own ear that Nigeria is the worst and the top one of the country where they buy the Christians. Just watch the video.
Nigeria is the #1 nation on earth for Christian genocide by a factor of 10. More Christians are killed here for their faith than anywhere else in the world. At the same time, Nigeria is home to 8 of the 10 richest pastors in the world. And I think those things are directly correlated. The body of Christ in Nigeria has all the wealth, all the resources, all the people, all the influence it needs to clean this place up and make it a wonderful place, safe and secure and equitable. The body of Christ has that, but there's a virus that has infected that body of Christ, we call the prosperity gospel, which is really a satanic teaching that takes the attention of believers off of Jesus and off of serving others, and it puts them on themselves and their own bank account. And I did a lot of research and asking people I know and trust here, who should I speak with about this? Who is leading the charge to speak the truth? And they said Dr. Damina is the one. And
welcome back, my wonderful people. As this thing happened, a lot of people, they jubilate for the matter. Some say they like them. As the military don't want to learn, they are going to learn in a hard ways. I want to read out some comments. May you see what they talk. They say this one at the beginning for them. When people don't lose hope for their military and the police, this is what they see and this is what they get. Many of us are ready to join them to fight you people, because the extortion and the killing of buying our people is too much in the land. Wow, sad is police, army, you don't read though, so you better say you go some visa forest than to come southeast for this last one. Biafra must be actualized. This is what people are saying. You see, the country everywhere don't jaguda. My people are more try to share the video and also drop your own opinion in the comment section as you they heard for this last one. Okay, my people, we'll quickly see you for the next update.